Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious beef burrito. First, brown 1 pound of ground beef in a large skillet over medium heat until it's fully cooked through. Once the beef is browned, carefully drain any excess fat from the pan. This step helps keep your burritos from being too greasy. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of your favorite taco seasoning with 1/4 cup of water. Now, let's assemble the filling. Warm 8 large flour tortillas in the microwave for about 15 seconds, or until they are soft and pliable. This prevents them from tearing when you roll them. Spread about 2 tablespoons of warm refried beans evenly over the center of each tortilla. Next, spoon approximately 1/4 cup of the seasoned ground beef mixture onto the beans. To enhance the flavor, sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of shredded cheddar or Monterey Jack cheese over the beef. Then, add a dollop of your favorite salsa and a small spoonful of sour cream. For a fresh crunch, consider adding 1 tablespoon of diced tomatoes, shredded lettuce, or even some sliced jalapenos if you like a little heat. Customize your burrito with toppings you love. Finally, it's time to roll your burrito. Fold in the opposite sides of the tortilla over the filling, then tightly roll the burrito from the bottom up. Ensure it's snug to keep all the delicious ingredients inside. You can serve your beef burritos immediately, perhaps with a side of extra salsa, guacamole, or a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. Enjoy your homemade, easy beef burritos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.